departing from the ramp. 81 Quebec. Okay. Here we go. Wave. And we're out of here. Here we got I-95 just in front of us. Traffic is moving pretty smoothly. We're headed off towards the beach. Here we're coming over the intercoastal waterway. It's pretty extensive, has all these little paths and canals. This is Delray Beach. Not too many people out. The sea's kind of rough. But you do have the kite surfers up in front of us.
Yeah.
So you notice there's some gray sand, a lot of it's gray, and then you have kind of the yellowish up on top. What they've recently done was they've rejuvenated this beach. So they had a barge that was off to our right or so, and it pumped sand from over there back over here, and then they had bulldozers push it around. That's why this beach is a lot larger than these beaches up here, where they haven't done that. On our left here, this is the most expensive trailer park in the United States. This large mansion up here on the left with all the palm trees is Oprah Winfrey's old house. Here's the Boynton Beach Inlet. Allows access from the ocean to the intercoastal there. There's the fishing pier just coming out into the water there. So these houses are pretty cool. They have these little like beach houses on this side of the street, and then the main house is on the other side. And they actually have a tunnel that goes under the road from the house. Here you can see the tunnel in the empty lot. So they can go to the beach and they don't even have to cross the road. The island of Hypoluxo on our left here. Here on our right, this is the Delray Tennis Center. It's got the little stadium for the tennis court. So here you have the airport right in front of us. This is FAU Stadium just past that. We enjoy it?